Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Honda Jazz SE. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 58 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 13, and the car has a very low mileage of just over 9,000 miles and has been serviced by Honda 6 times, so really impressive service history. This particular colour is the crystal black, and as you can see, it's in really good glossy condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside with the Jazz, these cars are great with a wide door opening and a raised roof line there, so it's easy to get in and out. And the Jazz has really comfortable seats there, as you can see, in really good condition. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror controls and your 4 window switches. For a small car, the Jazz is really spacious in the back. So as you can see, lots of headroom and legroom. So if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, you have the nice low loading boot area there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit and some extra storage. Externally, the car comes with the front and rear parking sensors and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to have a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.